Hey guys, and welcome to another Riders on the Strom video. Today we are going to install the tall seat on the 2019 Suzuki V-Strom XT. There isn't much to the installation. It's very easy to do. I thought I'd hopefully give you a level shot of the original seat, and then we'll see how high it is compared to this. I don't have the center stand on the bike yet, but I have put spools on it, so it is up on a rear stand. Hopefully you can line this up with something on the wall. And here's the new seat. Yeah, it does look different. Okay. Now guys, in the last video, I did some protectant on the plastic parts. I'm also going to spray this down a little bit, take some of the smudges and stuff off of it. So let's get this seat off. Oh my gosh, that's just so hard to do. See a couple of places that I can wipe off and clean. I haven't looked under here before, and we can see that the tool pack is in place. We'll check the battery leads and everything. Everything looks good. But what I did find under the seat were locks that have been keyed to the ignition key if I were to get panniers. So if I order panniers, then I would swap it out for these locks. So I'd either put these into the seat for me to find them, and it's good to know. I'll just put those away. Let's get the new seat on there. And looks like it is in place. So can you notice a difference in the size and the height of the seat? It is going to provide a little bit more leg room for us taller riders. That concludes the video, one of the easiest installation videos you will see on this channel. New tall seat for the 2019 Suzuki V-Strom XT. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Ride safe. Now I have to adjust the clutch. I have to take the hand guard off. It's a whole thing. You do not want to know that.